Hi, we are Andrea and Francesca, and we're proud to present to you Puppet Pals.
Are your students having trouble interacting with text in a meaningful way?
Well, we introduce to you Puppet Pals. This technology will help students interact with the text in a meaningful way through illustration.
Puppet Pals is a great app to use with all students across the spectrum. It is fun and engaging, and reluctant writers can still have a voice through animation.
Students will be able to recreate the story using their own characters. Whether the story has been read, heard, or viewed, the students will be able to recognize the larger theme and the message of the story.
Now let's check out how it works. So when you open the app, you will have the option of watching saved shows or the option of starting a new one. Once you press start, the student will choose up to 4 characters. And then they will choose a backdrop to create their story. Now, this is an example with the text How I Learn. How I Learn is a book introducing learning disabilities and that reassures readers that they are capable and can use smart strategies to help themselves learn.
So in the book How I Learn, there's three main characters. It's Henry, Carmen, and the little boy that's narrating the book. Here you can see you can adjust Puppet Pals to make it big or small screen. You can also make your puppets as small as you want them to be. We're arranging Henry right now. Carmen, and there goes a little boy. So the little boy talks about how he has hard time learning some things, how it is really, really hard for him, but he says, but like everyone, I have trouble with some things, and that's okay. Like, it's okay to have a learning disability. It's okay to learn differently. It's pretty much what he's saying. Carmen says that she likes writing interesting stories, but has struggle writing. She has lots of ideas, but she can't put them all down on paper. For Henry, it's different. For Henry, he jumbles up numbers and feels frustrated when it comes to math. There's a reason why some things are hard for me, Carmen and Henry, and for you too. It's called a learning disability. This book can be used for, we sometimes have dyslexics in our classrooms or autistics in our classrooms. This can be a great book to like motivate. Like it's okay that you learn differently. We all learn differently. For the purpose of our objective, the students will learn about the butterfly cycle. They're gonna put this in a meaningful way that affects them from text to self. How they will learn this butterfly cycle. What is the best strategies they can use as students to learn this step. Here we're going to adjust our screen to make it smaller to fit all the characters that the student has chosen. And then the student's able to narrate how the butterfly cycle works with how he will learn it, if that makes sense. So here we have this, and then you press record to save your data at the end. The student this particular student wants to touch the caterpillar. They want to touch the cocoon. They want to touch the actual butterfly. They want to see things. They want to feel the habitat where the butterflies are. They're so excited. Look at him. He's so excited to learn about butterflies and how it affects his life in general. So this student's going to save his work, and then he's going to type what kind of things he just learned through this Puppet Pals. And he's going to type in butterfly cycle. He's going to save it, and then this way the teacher can see all the work the students have done. They can also use this app as partners and make it together to assess 2 people at a time. Thank you.